little belly. Let me kiss your belly. Come on!
Come back!
Like your dogs. Come! Alex, come! Jalen, come!
Oh, where's she going?
Midget and giant.
Go. Oh, thank you. Was this like the hug stop? Grandma? Well, everybody was. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Bentley?
Oh, Bentley's turn.
Oh, everybody got a hug. You're so nice. You're so nice. Go get her. Give her a hug.
Oh.
What's she doing in there? Oh, thank you. Oh, look at the diaper. What do you have? Oh, thanks. You going to
Look at her hands. You got her arm around Bentley. Got her arm around him.
You need to have your diaper changed? Are you going to give Grandma a hug? No, we're staying up here. Go see what Alex is
Where's
doing.
Alex?
Go
Where
get
did-
her. Hurry up. I think she's probably getting a diaper.